later.
Hi guys, it's Amit from Tech. Welcome to my channel again. So today in this lesson we are going to see or we are going to set up our development environment. So what we need? So we need two things. One is browser and the other is text editor. So basically we have so many text editors available in the market. So here's the four of them. First one is Visual Studio Code. Second is Notepad++, third one Atom, and fourth one Sublime. So my recommendation is Visual Studio Code. So here are browsers. First one is Google Chrome, second one is Mozilla Firefox, third one Opera, and fourth one Safari. To download Visual Studio Code, you just need to follow this link, and when you open this link in your browser you see this download button. You just need to click in this download button. So it is available in Mac OS, Windows, Linux. So next is Google Chrome. You just need to follow this link to download Google Chrome. Here's the download button to download Chrome. So next I follow some extensions which is available in Visual Studio Code. If you want to use, you can use these extensions. After installing Visual Studio Code, you just need to change your tab to extensions, and you just need to search Beautify. So it is installed. Next is HTML boiler plate. Install this extension also, and another is live server. So these are the extensions which is very helpful for your development. Thank you so much. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and share with your friends. See you in the next video.